New just listed home, 507 East Coast Avenue, Lantana, Florida, by Henry Conart from the Military Veteran Team. This beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse offers 1,296 square feet of modern comfort just minutes from the coast. Recently renovated, this home perfectly combines style and functionality with a spacious open living area and a large kitchen featuring wooden countertops and a dedicated dining space. Upstairs, enjoy 2 private bedrooms, providing the ultimate in seclusion. The primary bathroom offers luxurious marble details, while the secondary bathroom includes a full-size bathtub for unwinding. Enjoy a prime location just 10 minutes from Lake Worth Beach and less than 20 minutes from the vibrant dining, shopping, and entertainment of downtown West Palm Beach. This home is perfect for those who want a convenient coastal lifestyle. Contact us today to make it yours.